Wino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Jagoro mungino ne migao mar somo Julius Bitok osingone jonyuol kod jopuonjre ni ikruok duto oserumo ne chenro mar donjo e sikunde mag Sinia higa manyien koloso Kopsiro Mount Elgon. Bitok olero ni kochopo tarik 20 dwe ni jonyuol biro ng'eyo sikunde ma nyithindegi idhiye. Olero ni placement biro rangi kaka jopuonjre otimo e kit somo mopogore. Omedo ni lai mar CBE dhi konyo Kenya mondo ochope rang'iny mamalo mar somo kaka pinje mamoko.
Some parents complaining that why is my child getting EE? The EE we are talking about here is not like the E of KCP. These are totally different. EE here means exceeding expectation. Actually, it's the best. Exceeding expectation. Remember, competence-based education is not about the exam or assessment. It's about the competency of the child. It's about what the child can do best, what the child knows, what skills, what talent. We shall give them an opportunity to revise. If you are given a school and you don't like it, you will digitally revise. We have a team already in Mombasa working very hard to ensure that they do the placement. And starting from Monday, the day after tomorrow, some of the children will know where they have been placed. And all the children will have known where they have been placed latest by 20th.
Tumeweka system ya kuhakikisha kwamba kila mwanafunzi katika Kenya hii anapata nafasi kwa ile shule ambayo ana qualify, kwa sababu tunatumia formula ya revenue allocation kuhakikisha kwamba tuko na equity, tuko na balance. Hata mwanafunzi kutoka hapa Mount Elgon anaweza ingia ile mashule zenye ziko huko Nairobi, kwa sababu we are very very fair to all Kenyans.
Kodhi nyime ni familia more